Those are intense. It doesn't wipe off at all. It's really intense.
Hi guys, welcome to or welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to tint my eyebrows. I cannot see how this could possibly go wrong. I'm going to be using a product from a little brand called Maybelline. You may have heard of them. So I don't know if this is legitimate, like an actual tint, or if it's just makeup, like a long-lasting makeup. But we are going to find out today, right now, actually. So if you want to see how this turns out, stick around. If you're into this kind of stuff, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so it says that it's transfer proof, smudge proof. It's a natural looking tattoo effect. But it lasts for up to 3 days, I guess depending on how long you leave it set for. Step 1, you apply it. Step 2, you let it dry for at least 20 minutes, but up to 2 hours. Because I don't know how this is gonna go, we're gonna do an hour. Anyways, and then you peel it off. I did read somewhere that if you make a mistake, you can use like a Q-tip to fix it. I anticipate that I will make a mistake. That's just kind of how things go for me. Okay, let's get started. So I got the color medium brown. What scares me is that I don't know if this is gonna be too warm or too dark. Do I shake it? It doesn't say I have to shake it, but I'm gonna shake it just in case. Oh, okay, it really reminds me of the Urban Decay 60-hour brow that I tried, but that stuff didn't peel off. Oh, I don't know. This is terrifying. Okay. Oh god. You know what? Worst case scenario, if this doesn't go well, it is only on my face for, you know, a matter of days. I don't even know, am I supposed to try to get it on the skin or just on the hair? It's really goopy. And do I have to act fast because it needs to dry, right? So I can peel it off? I don't want to go too fast, but I don't want to go too, oh god, okay. All right, we're going up that high with the brows today. And for the next 3 days, I guess. Okay, does it look solid like it does in the picture? Not really. Maybe I'll do a bit more. At this point, why not? Oh, I got it in my hair. How's she looking? Why is this side not applying well? Oh, there she goes. So for the record, this is applying pretty dark, and I can only hope that the color that remains is about 17 shades lighter than this. Here's a fun question. Does the 1 hour start from the time I finish my brows, or from the time, oh god. Oopsie doopsie. Q-tip, Q-tip, Q-tip. As I was saying, does the 1 hour start from when I finish the brows or from when I started applying? I cannot do this eyebrow. I just can't. The fact that I'm now doing this with the wrong hand. I don't know how this is gonna peel off. Does this look like they'll just peel off? Maybe. I don't know. The picture makes them look so much more solid than what they are. Probably could have researched this a little bit more, but what's the fun in that, really? They're on. I'm not sure that they're even in the slightest. Now that I look like this, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the product. It is called Tattoo Brow by Maybelline. I got it on Amazon and it was on sale for like less than $7. So top quality, I'm sure. Actually, I'm gonna count an hour starting now, but I am gonna go upstairs and see if I can sneakily get Nate's reaction when I tell him that this is how the brows look for the next several days. Okay, see you in an hour. I'm done.
Those are intense.
Seriously? You not like them? You not like them?
They're pretty cool.
Do you seriously not like them? Because they're like, they last 3 days. They're a tint.
It doesn't wipe off at all. It's really intense.
They're on for 3 days. And we're back. Okay, it has been exactly 1 hour. They feel really tight. Like definitely not supposed to be left on the way the Urban Decay one was. They don't look like they're going to peel off easily. So if they do, I will be very surprised. Okay, here we go. Wish me luck. It says on the box to start from the inside. Oh, it is peeling. Come on, little guy. Oh my gosh. It's like one of those your nose strips. It doesn't hurt at all. Like, I thought it was gonna tug on the hair. It does not. Oh, now it's starting to come on. I'm not done, but seriously, underneath it looks really, really good. Oh, we pulled out a hair. Man down. Oh. It almost looks like a full eyebrow. Okay, so one little strip was left in my brow hair. Moment of truth. Does the other side compare? A few more strands clung on this side. It's hard to tell what needs to come off and what is on there for the next 3 days. Ew, get off of me. So I probably could have done a better job making them symmetrical, but these look freaking amazing. Was not expecting this. They look so natural. And if these actually last like 3 days, you know how sometimes you see people who had their brows tattooed and it looks like, you know. Yeah, it's not like that at all. Let's see how close I can get for you. Pretty natural, right? Cool. I guess this concludes my video. I'm sure you could have come to this conclusion on your own, but Tattoo Brow by Maybelline, A+++ for now. Not sure how long they're gonna stay on, but I mean, I'm rubbing them and they seem pretty on there. Yeah, they're on. Okay, seriously, I'm done. Thank you for hanging out. I hope you found this interesting, or at the very least, I hope it helped you kill some time if that's what you were trying to do, and I hope to see you back at some point. Bye!